dear students, now I am going to explain sixth problem in exercise 12.1. Suppose you are shooting an arrow from the top of a building, okay. So first I would like to draw the building. Okay, this is the building at a height of 6 meters. The height of the building is 6 meters, and this is the horizontal line. 6 meters to a target on the ground at an angle of depression of 60 degrees. So suppose this is the target and the angle of depression, okay, angle of depression is draw like this. Angle of depression is 60 degrees, okay. This is angle of depression. You have to draw like this. What is the distance between you and the object? Suppose you are here, so we have to find the distance between you and the object. This is the object. So this one is x meters, say, okay. So according to problem, we draw a neat diagram like this. Now point out, name the points A, B, C, and this one is X. Okay, na? And now at first please write what are given. Okay, height of the building. Height of the building is equal to, so height of the building is AB, that equal to 6 meters. And next, what is given? Angle of depression. So angle of depression is equal to angle of elevation, is equal to angle of elevation to the ground. Angle of elevation to the ground, that equal to 60 degrees. Okay, so this is the angle of depression. So this is equal to angle of elevation to the ground, this one like this, 60 degrees. Now what we have to find? The distance of the target from the shooting point. Okay, now therefore distance between the target to the shooting point that equal to, so BC, okay, now that equal to x meters, say, okay. So now from the figure find take sine 60 degrees. So because here we have to find the x value. So this is the BC, and this is hypotenuse in this right angle triangle, and AB is opposite side to 60 degrees. Opposite side hypotenuse. That's why we have to take sine. Okay. So one thing you should know, you should observe in this given problem, there is only one angle. That's why we have only one right angle triangle. So triangle ABC is a right angle triangle, okay, and angle A is equal to 90 degrees, angle C is equal to 60 degrees. And next, now you take sine 60 degrees. So in triangle ABC, sine 60 degrees is equal to opposite side AB by hypotenuse BC. So sine 60, what is the value of sine 60? root 3 by 2. That equal to, what is the value of AB? AB is 6 meters. And what is the value of BC? X. And please do the cross multiplication. X root 3 is equal to 12. And X is equal to 12 by, bring this root 3 to this side, then it will in the place of denominator. So X is equal to, now do the rationalization. So 12 by root 3 into, rationalize the denominator. Okay, root 3, that equal to 12 root 3 by root 3 is 3. So 3 in 12 4 times, so 4 root 3. Okay, therefore X is equal to 4 into root 3 value is 1.732. Okay, so X is equal to, now you multiply these two, you will get 6.928 meters. So therefore, so required value is the distance. Therefore, distance between the target target to the observer or the shooting point, or the shooting distance between the target to the shooting point is equal to, BC is equal to, X is equal to 6.928 meters. Okay, so in this way we solved this problem. Thank you.